Hello everybody, it's Mindy and welcome to my channel. And I have some fun things to show you today. If you've never been here before, welcome. And I hope you come back because I do all kinds of videos, all kinds of fun stuff. So let's get into it. Who is this from? This is from NewCraftDay. They have some nice stuff at NewCraftDay. My special drills, you know what I mean? So let's get into it and I'll show you what we got. Let's start small. Why not? Let's start with this little bitty box because I found these on NewCraftDay's site and they're kind of nifty. They're called needle minders, but as we know, we can use them as a cover minder. Yeah. So this will hold your plastic back. These are kind of nifty. I think I might need an extra magnet. Maybe not. We'll see. We'll see how this works. I see one magnet on the back. I don't see two unless there's a magnet inside it. Let's see how this works. All right, so, look, they have, that's nifty. So that one is built right into the back of this plastic acrylic. And then we have another one that goes on top like that. These are nifty, look at that. Never seen magnets quite like those before. So that's cool. So this is acrylic, and look at how pretty it is. This has, I think it has a covering on it. Let's see. Does it have a little piece of plastic on here? Let's see. Maybe not. I don't know. I thought it did. I'm probably just messing it up, but okay. Whatever. I don't think so. It looks like it does, though. Anyhow, it's super pretty. I'll play with it a little more and see if it does. It seems to. I don't know. Anyhow, it's really pretty. And you could use that on your diamond paintings to hold your plastic covering back. And they had different designs. It's pretty cool. I like it, right? Do you like it? I like it. All right, so there's that. All right, next, let's move on to something else. What do we have here? We have a fun little package. Things that come in these little packages are always fun. And this will be perfect. I'm recording this August 1st, and it is Smashing the Specials time. So that's our boat, our toolkit, our drills, special drills. Ooh, there's some fun ones in there. And let's show you what we have in the package. I love little packages. They always have fun things in them, right? Okay, so we have some discs and we have 2 hooks and chains. So there are 2 individual items here, all right? Put these back in here so I don't lose them. And I'll show you kind of how these work. All right, so 2 of these discs are not drilled. They just have pretty floral designs on them. So we have this one. Those look like dandelions. Oh, come on, focus. These look like dandelions to me. All right. And then we have this one with like a wreath of flowers, a butterfly. So no drilling on those. And then we have 2 butterflies that you do drill. Now these are one-sided. So you'll drill this one and this one with our special drills. And then when you go to put these together, you choose a background and you'll put your hook through both of them at the same time, like such. And then it just gives a pretty background for your butterfly. So you could put it on that one, or you could put it on this one. It's up to you how you want to do it, right? And then you put your hook in here and they stay together. I like it. I like it a lot. So we could do this guy over here. See how cute? Cute, right? He's flying through the field of dandelions. Those are dandelions. Okay, so that's what we have here. Let's look at the drills. We'll see what we have. I saw some fun things in here. All right, what do we have? Lots of rhinestones, I'm guessing. Oh, there's our special drills. So we have a red, a purple, we have another purple, a couple of different blues, a green, and a yellow. All right, those are nice. And then here's our special drills. We have these gold and crystal. The gold is on the top, the crystal's on the bottom. We have a couple of gold pearls. We have some AB teardrops, clear. And we have a few shards. Gold shards. Nice. So that's a fun little project. Wonder if I'll get to that one during Smashing the Specials. We shall see. We shall see. Okay. Let me figure out which drills go with this. I got them all taken out. I think it's this one. Yep, it's this one. Lucky, 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 lucky. I'm telling you, they just don't stop with the gnomes. This has 10 shapes, and look, it has 3 gnomes, all 4th of July-ish. Love it, love it, love it. It says USA here, welcome. And we got our 3 gnomes. Looks like he's got a drum. He's got the flag, and he's just holding a star. And the balloons, very 4th of July. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. 10 different colors here, and shapes and sizes and different types of drills. Let's see what we have. Looks like a lot of rhinestones, but we'll see. Let's get into them. All right, let's start with some black. We do have black drills, just regular black drills. A lot of red, clear. There's one blue. There's another blue. There's some orange. A little bit of orange. Another red. A burgundy. And then we have stars. And we have slivers. Oy. I'm doing some keychains right now. I'm to the slivers. I've left them till the end. Oy. So cute, right? Cute. Okay. What else do we have? Let's see. What's next? What is next? Is this the right one? B4231. Yes. So I've said this in a few previous videos that they are coming with pre-bagged drills. And oftentimes they are just writing the number of the kit on the bag, which I'm thinking if you're not careful, after a while those could wear off. So I'm putting stickers on them with the number. But I love the pre-bagged drills. We've got a cream, brown, red, some blues, a pinkish color, a gray, another green. You can see these colors, right? Yellow, green, blue, purpley, brown, gray, green. Love it. Love it. All bagged, all numbered on your bags. 23 colors. There they are. Love it. Here's the painting. 23 colors. Legend on both sides. Looks like everything is a letter on this. It's all letters. And it's just a basket on a bike. We got a bunch of flowers. We got a couple birds, a fence. Oh, there's another bird over here. We got the sun hat. It's just a cute, cute little image. I thought it was very summery and just gave me a really good feeling. I joke about it. We're a mile from town, and I'm like, honey, maybe it's time for me to get one of these kind of bikes. I can put a basket on it, and I can ride up to the library or go up to the store on my bike. And I need a little basket. What do you think? Give me a little cruiser bike. I don't know. I'm not quite ready for that yet. Am I? No, I don't think so. Drill field, super clear. Nice, nice, very nice. Love it. All right, so there's that one. Love it, love it, love it. All right, what else do we have? We have another full drill. Oh my gosh. This makes me sad a little bit because look at the theme. Oh, it's fall. It's fall, you guys, really. I mean, it's August. We don't have a long time before fall actually is here. You know, I actually have gourds growing outside in my garden. Yeah, but isn't he adorable, right? I don't know what he's drinking here. He's got himself some little frothy little dessert type drink. Isn't he cute? Sitting on his pumpkin. He's like, hey, you know, and look at the fall leaves are falling. But he's got sunflowers and pumpkins still. It was super cute. It's got 24 different colors. Drill field, super clear. Love it, love it, love it. You like that? Okay, so this one comes with the drills packaged this way. I want to go ahead and look at them. It's got beautiful blues in the background. It's not one color. Look. GAZX. Yeah. Looks like it's about 4 colors. 4 different shades of blue. I don't know. And the pumpkin? That pumpkin, I don't know how many shades. A lot. I love his hat. I absolutely adore the plaid hat, right? Super cute. All right, these are upside down, but we don't care. We're gonna roll with it. We're gonna do them backwards anyhow. There we go. Browns, oranges, tans, reds, yellows, another orange, golden color, more red, some pink, some more red, brown, peach colors. Gotta have some greens, and we gotta have blues for that background, right? Maybe they put that green in there too. I wonder if they do. Let's see. I'm always curious. 18 and 19. 18 and 19 are X and Z. Yep, right here. So this is green and this is blue. Interesting. You can kind of tell. Kind of a teal, and then blue. I love it. I love it. He's going to be so cute. Hang out for November. Gotta hang on until November, or should I say Gnomevember. Yes, we're gonna do some Gnomevember action. And I got one more item. Comes in a fun bag. You know, things in the bags are always fun. I have no idea what is this. Oh, this is my stickers. This is cool. Here's our toolkit. These are regular drill, as you can see. They're not special drill. But if you wanted to do these for Smashing the Specials, I would say absolutely, because it's a special project. Even though the drills are not crystals and rhinestones and things, it counts. It totally counts. These are nice stickers. I saw Liz, Scotty Dog Krafts. She got some of these stickers. She got flowers. I think she got roses and stuff. And I got the butterflies. They're nice stickers. Look at these things. They're large. Look at that. I want to put these maybe on release papers, decorate my release papers, or I still have some Harbor Freights. I put those on the Harbor Freights to decorate them. Look at how pretty they are. We got pink, yellow butterflies. Nice, right? We have some blues and greens. There's a swallowtail. There's quite a few swallowtails around here lately. They're flitting all over the place. Look at these. Cute. I love them. Now these are the smallest that they get, and then they get to a pretty good size, right? I like these. Look at those. Nice. They're so pretty. I like them. Do I want to go through all the drills? Do we need to go through all of them? I don't think so. I mean, we got blues and greens and purples and yellows and browns and blues, right? We got blues and greens and yellows and purples and reds and you get it, right? Anyhow, aren't those nice? These are super nice. So you'll drill them and then they'll peel off, right? Very nice and sticky. I like them. I like these a lot. They had, I don't know, 3 or 4 different varieties for these stickers, and they were all very nice. All very nice. I'm glad I got the butterflies. I like them. So that's what I have, you guys. I'm ready for Smashing the Specials. Oh, we have a fall painting over there. November, you know, in November. Yep, looking ahead. Got to plan ahead, right? Well, I hope you join for some of those events. We have a lot of fun with our events. And thank you, NewCraftDay, for sending some stuff I could show everybody. And I'm going to get started on a few of these projects. You betcha. All right. Thanks for watching and hanging out for a little while, you guys. Hope you come back later. I'll be here, okay? See you then. Bye.